When it comes to making a quiet PC, the deal breaker is the CPU cooler. The folks at Be Quiet have been amazing in helping me kit out my ultimate audio PC build and making it an audio producer's dream silent. I don't want those fans spinning up and making loud noises that are going to interrupt my recording or my voiceover sessions or anything like that. So silence in a PC is super important. Quiet fans, that's what I need. And that's why I've got this fantastic huge box from Be Quiet. This is the Dark Rock 4. It's a CPU cooler, and I'm going to show you around it what it looks like. I'm going to spin it up. I'm not going to install it because you might have seen my video a while back and decided that maybe I'm not the best CPU fan installer. But Epos Fox is. He's done a great video on installing or replacing CPU cooling fans, and I'll make sure to link to that video. But first of all, let's open this up. I've got a bunch of screwdrivers here on the table, loads of them. I'm not going to need any of these. They can all go because inside, I believe, there is a screwdriver. They've thought of everything here with Dark Rock 4. So let's have a look. First of all, when you open it up, you get a Be Quiet Silent Wings fan. Notice I've got lots of Silent Wing fans inside my Ultimate Audio PC build. Then you get this box with the manual, the Dark Rock 4 manual. There's also some kind of, I would imagine, installation bits here. So there we go. Yeah, you've got thermal paste. You've got everything you need for an AMD install or an Intel install. So everything thought of here. And when I say everything, here's the main beast coming out now from the box. I mean everything. Wow. Even, this is crazy, a Be Quiet screwdriver. And you can use this to install your CPU fan, but more than that, I just think it's a really good quality screwdriver. So that's included, but the main thing we're going to want to look at and spin up now to have a listen to is this beast. Look at this. This is an absolute beast. This is for cooling any CPU, and at some point I am going to install it on my 2700X Ryzen chip from AMD. But this is great. Let's put it together, spin it up, and hear how it sounds. So there you go. Be Quiet have really thought of everything in the Dark Rock 4. You're not going to need or want for anything. Screwdriver, thermal paste included, a beast of a CPU cooling fan is also there, and it sounds a lot better in the fact that it doesn't sound of much at all, especially at low RPM, than my stock AMD cooler. And usually that's the case when you get a stock cooler. It's usually they can be quite good, but often they can spin up like a rocket ship taking off. So Be Quiet, Dark Rock 4, big thumbs up from me.